To record a screen on a Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's open our Google Play Store. Inside we need to select search and then look for screen recorder video recorder app. It's this one right here. We can download it and then open it. Sadly, on this device you can't find the screen recorder by default, so we needed to actually download one from our Google Play Store. So now there's a bunch of ads that you need to skip. Then you can choose a language for your app, confirm it, click on start and allow all of the permissions the app will ask for. So I think I just skipped one, so let's allow. Then to begin your recording, you need to click on the button right here. Again, allow the permissions. Start now. And your video recording has begun. Now you can move around freely. You can see this countdown on the right. You can click on it to pause or stop video or adjust the different settings. In this case, let's just stop this video. It will take a few moments to save. And then here's our video.